Tell me how to club two strings. By using what concept? By using
Concat.
concat or pipe symbol. How to club two result sets?
Set
Tell
operator.
me. By using set operators. Okay, so same thing. So how to get data from multiple tables? Hmm.
Joins.
So multiple tables by using joins concept. So see, so if I want to get data from multiple tables, we should go for joins concept. Tell me what are the types of joins we're having? Anyone?
Inner join.
So inner join or equi join. Then
Left join.
outer joins. How many outer joins are there? Left outer,
Three.
right outer, and full
Full.
outer join. Okay. Then one more thing is that we're having self
Cross.
join. One more thing is that cross join or Cartesian product. Okay, so this is important. Okay, we'll see the same thing in detail. Okay, so this is the same thing. Inner join or equi join. Left outer, right outer, full outer. Same thing. Now tell me now what happened. Now we'll see the syntax. Okay, so before that, what is inner join? Inner join? What is inner join? Tell me. What is
Mixing
in?
records from both the table.
So matching records from both the tables. What is left join or left outer join?
Inner gen plus remaining left side table.
So that is for logic. So for definition, you should say what? All the records from left side table and match record from the
Record
right
of
side.
left table.
Right table.
Right. If records are not matching, what you'll get in the right side, you'll get null value. So see, null value will get the functionality. Okay, so you got the pointer. So the same thing. So same thing. Next one is that what? Okay, then we discussed what? Okay, see. So syntaxes. So select star from table one. This is what? This is normal single table. Now we want to go for inner join or equi join. Now how many tables require minimum?
Minimum 2.
Minimum how many tables? So two tables. Okay, see, select the star from table one. Submit yourself. Okay. So T1 inner join. So table two. So listen carefully, important. So table two, T2. So what is T1 and T2? Anyone?
Table alias.
Table
Tell
alias.
me.
Table alias.
It's
Table
a called
alias.
as table alias. Okay, see the same thing. See now what happened. So T1 is nothing but table alias of T1. T2 is nothing but table alias of T2. So same thing, column 1, column 1. What is column 1 here? It's a what?
Column alias.
Column alias.
Column alias. Okay, see column alias. Okay, see. So what about T1, T2? What about T1, T2?
Table alias.
Table alias.
Tell me. 1 second, give me. So put proper name. Okay, so don't put Zoom or something. Okay. So you need to put proper name. Okay. 1 second. Tell me what is T1 and T2? T1 and T2? Table alias. What is column 1?
Column alias.
Say column alias. Okay, so see when two tables are there, what cons will come into picture?
Joins.
So, no. When you want to fetch data, we require joins. Now, what is the condition we require? What we require? Joining condition. So T1 dot C1 equal to T2 dot C2. So what it means? Tell me. Tell me. What is C1 and C2? It's a. What is C1 and C2? Joining condition. Okay, see. So when two tables are there, what happens? See T1 and T2. Okay. So see, this is the functionality. So simple thing. Let me help you. This is tell me T1 is a table alias. Okay. So see C1 is nothing but it's a what? It's a column alias. Next to table, it's a T1. So next to column, it's a column alias. Okay. See, this is the joining condition. Okay, see joining condition. Okay, T1 dot C1 equal to T2 dot C2. This is the joining condition. Got the point? So see, simple thing. Tell me here which table is main table. Tell me here which table is main table.
Table
T1.
1.
Now which table are main table?
Table 1.
Both are main tables. No. Inner join. What is inner join? Forgot. Yesterday I'll discuss. No. What is inner join? Tell me. What is inner join? So
Matching records
match records
from
from
both
both
table.
table. Which tables are main tables?
Both are.
Both are main tables. No, that's what the point. No? So both tables are main tables. Okay, see both. So, okay, see. So here T1, T2 are main tables. Okay, so this is the inner join. Okay. Same thing will go for left join or left outer join. Okay, see left join. Okay. Tell me which is the main table?
T1.
Left table.
What is the left table? That is what? T1 or T2?
Table 1. Table
T1.
1.
So table 1 is the main table. So main table. So left to join or left to outer join. Simple thing. Okay. We'll see the same thing with the data. Okay. So star. Okay. Star. Star nothing but what will give anyone important? Star nothing but what?
It is a projection operator.
Projection. What it will project?
All the
All
the
records and all
columns
the
from-
columns.
From where?
From the 2 tables.
It's 2 tables now. All the
Both the
not all the
tables.
records, all the columns from both the tables. Okay, so first you'll get table 1 columns, table 2 columns will be there. Now right join. Now what I write? Go for instead of left, put right. Now which is the main table here?
Table
T2.
2.
Table 2.
Table 2. Table 2 is the main table. Okay, so this is the simple learning. Okay, so control it. So full join or full outer join? Tell me. Now full join, full or full outer. Okay, both are same only. Now tell me now what happened. Tell me now, which is main table?
So
Both.
Both
Both
are
the
main.
tables.
Both tables are main tables. So both the tables are main tables. Main tables got the point. So see, both the tables are main tables. Okay, so this was the function. Okay, so this is so far good. Okay, same thing. Let me put. Tell me table 1, table 2. These are same table or these are different tables?
Different.
Different tables. Okay, now see. Now tell me this both are same table or different table?
different.
No, see. Same table or different table? Same table.
Same table.
Submit yourself. Now tell me. Now this will access same table or different table? See. We are putting different table alias, meaning what? It's access a different table. Got the point? I see one more time. So see, so the same table we are trying to join to itself. This is called as what? Called as what? What type of join? Self join. See, this is separate table. This is separate table. But here what happened? What happened? Both are
Same table.
same table. So this is the function. So same table. So we are trying to join to itself. This is called as self join. Okay, one more thing important. Okay, now I am trying to remove the joining condition. Now this is what type of join? Anyone, any idea? This is what type of join?
Cross join.
It's a cross join. Why it's a cross join? Because
No condition.
no joining condition. When there is no joining condition, nothing but what? It's a what? It's a
Cross join.
cross join. Okay, so you got the point. So when there is no joining condition, nothing but say cross join. We'll see the same thing in detail. Okay, let me go here. So this is what UI? It's a Snowflake user interface. Okay. Now if I want to create table, what require? We require database and schema. Core schema or RAS schema. Okay. So tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and what's my schema name?
Select
Current database and current
schema. Okay. In this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. How to find list of tables?
Show tables.
Show
Show
tables.
tables. Now I want to create a table. So details are what in Snowflake? Details are normally it's a auto committable. Okay, so see employee table. Now see what happened. Let me put. Okay, so table one. Okay, see table one. 1 second, please. So table one. So column one. Okay. It's a what? It's a numbered data type. Okay, see numbered data type. Okay. Okay, see. Okay, see this is the functionality. Now control enter. Okay, see insert into so table one. Okay, see table one. Okay, values. So Snowflake support what? Support
Mul
multi inserts. So 1, 2, 3. So 3, 4 records are okay. So now how to fetch the data? First we need to create the table. Table I will create it. Select a star from table one. Okay, see this is the functionality. Okay, see getting the point. So this is so far good. Now I want to fetch only first 3 records. How to fetch first 3 records? Tell me.
Window function.
where
No,
condition.
where condition? No, where condition. You can go for where
Okay.
column 1 in 1, 2, 3. Okay, see, tell me you can go for what? We can go for in, not in, not in, greater than, less than, between. Okay, analytical function. We can do any type of thing. This is so far good. Okay. Now tell me how to take a backup table. Okay,
CTS.
CTS. Now what happened? Now I want to give my own name. How do you give my own name? Using column
Alias.
alias. Okay, select 5. Now how to club 2 result sets? Using what?
Operator.
Using set
Concat.
operators, not concat, set operators. Now how to get backup table? Using CTAS create. Okay, so table 2. Okay, as create a table. So table name as. Okay, so this is the functionality. Now how's the list of tables?
Show table.
Show tables, but I want to get only these 2 tables. How to get only these 2 tables? Tell me.
Pattern matching like operator.
Pattern, like operator. How to write? So like T TAB percentage. Okay, so you can go for underscore, you can go for the functionality. Okay, see, select the star from so table 1. Okay, so join table 2. Okay, see, so T1, T2. Okay, let me take the data. Now, how many records are there in the first table? Okay, how many records are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many records are there in table 2? 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 5 records. Okay, see the same thing. Now see the same clearly, listen carefully. Now, what is the any condition on T1 dot column 1 equal to T2 dot column 2. So this is what is T1, what is T2?
Table alias.
Tell me. It's a
Table
table alias. Okay, see, got the pointer. So see this is the functionality. So table 1, table alias, table 2, table alias. So see, this is what type of join. If I don't mention, this is what I did not mention inner keyword. Say what type of join? By default, say
Inner
it's a
join.
inner join. Inner join. What is inner join? We discussed matching records from both the tables. Tell me what are the matching records from both these tables?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 1, 2, 2, star. No, star nothing but what? Both columns. No, column 1 and column 2. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So it's a 2 columns. No. Why I'm getting column 1? Why I'm getting column 2 next? Anyone tell me? Why I'm getting column 1 first and column 2 second? Why? Reason? Tell me why.
T1 is the main table here.
Not main table. Both are main tables, no?
On condition T1 dot column 1, we are
On
comparing
condition, huh? Okay, we'll put.
with
Not like this. We can write anything. Now, anyone tell me? So this is, see, you are, most of the people are experienced, guys, but you are not able to answer simple question. Why we are getting column 1 first? Why are getting column 2 second? Why? Simple thing, no? This is a simple basic thing because we need to work on 5 to 10 table join. See, simple thing. Anybody can able to tell? Why? Column 1 first and column 2 second. Reason?
Left table is team.
Come again. Tell me simple only. See, simple thing now. See, we mentioned table 1 first. That's why table 1 column. See, same thing if I put shuffling. See, T2, T2. Now, T1, T1. Now we'll get what? Column 2 or column 1 first? Anyone?
column 2.
Column 2. Now, simple thing now. See, so select star. You see what happened? So this is first column, first thing. So whatever the columns are there, it will project. Then second table column will be projecting. That's what the point you need to remember. Okay, see, if I mention first table columns will be getting. If I mention second table columns are getting. Okay, so this is the concept. Got the point? A simple thing. No, so this is, you need to say like this. Okay, so concepts are simple, but you see, you're not getting the point. Okay. Now what happened now? I want to go for left to join or left outer join. Tell me what, so left, let me put the same thing. So see. Tell me what discuss definition, what discuss, tell me for left to join or left outer join. All record from left side table and match record from right side table. So left to join or left to outer join. Tell me which is the main table. Which is the main table?
Table 1.
Tell me.
Table 1.
Table 1 is the main table. See, table 1 is the main table. Okay, see, table 1. Okay, left, this is the main table. Now, what is the exact output we'll get? Inner join plus? Inner join plus?
Nothing record from right side table.
No, inner join plus? Remaining record from?
Left side table.
Left side.
Table. If records are not matching, what will get? What will get?
Null.
Null.
See, this is inner join now. Inner join plus remaining records from left side table. Left side table is for 4. If records are not matching, what will get? We'll get 4 null. 4 null. No, that's it. No, same thing. Okay. Simple. The theory part, whatever discussed, no, you need to have practical thing. Right join. Okay. What is right join? Which is the main table here? Table 1 or table 2?
Table 2.
Table 2.
Table 2 is the main table. Now, what's the exact output we'll get? Inner join plus remaining card from right side table. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, then
Null 5.
null 5. Null 5 will get. Null 5 will get. Got the point? So this is the functionality. Same thing if I go for full join. Okay. So what is full join? We discussed definition. What is full join definition? So inner join plus
from both the table.
Both table 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, null 5 and 4 null will get. 4 null will get. This is the concept here so far. Yes or no? This is the functionality. Same thing. Let me copy. So Control C and Control V. So this is what join? Anybody can able to tell us? This is what type of join?
Cross join.
Why it's a cross join? Because
No joining condition.
so see what is cross join? 4 4s are 16 cards came. See 16 cards came. So it's a simply multiplication of 2 table. We can write cross keyword. It will be, it's a cross join. 4 4s are 16 records. Okay. So the theory part we discuss with the simple example. We'll go for a little bit tricky one. We'll try to solve. So those are doubts now post in the group. Okay. So you can able to discuss in the group. No, WhatsApp group is then I can able. We'll see one question. We'll try it now. Tell me here, Matt is the matching column. What is the matching column?
Name.
Name is the matching column. Okay, see name. Now tell me now inner join. How many records for inner join? How many records for inner join?
4.
1, 2 plus 1. Totally 4 records. What about left join? Left
Five.
join? 5. Why 5? Remember, if you know the concept, you need to say straightforward. Okay, this is 4, this is 5. Okay, tell me.
So remaining we have B as unmatched.
Give me 30 seconds and I'll make you learn.
Tell me it's a 4 or 5?
So 5.
5 because no. Okay, which record? B record is extra. What about right join? Right join? What about right join?
4, sir.
4 only, no, 4 only. Okay, so remember, okay, see if you say 4, 5, no, they try to ask counter question. Okay, that's what the point. See, compulsory this type of question they'll ask. Okay, if you say they try to take, we'll see one more question. Tell me. So, what is number of records for inner join, equi join? Simple. Tell me.
2.
2. Okay, so 2. Okay, so this is the function. Same thing. We'll go for a little bit tricky one. Go for task. So if you see now what happened, so this is employee table. Okay, so this is department table. So they want to get employee name, employee ID, department name. So when you want to fetch data from multiple tables, we should go for what concept?
Joins.
Go for joins. The concept will be coming into picture. Okay, so first we should, so why we need to get joins? Because tell me. When you want to fetch data from multiple tables, go for joins concept. Now seeing the data, now what's the joining condition? Tell me.
Inner join.
Joining condition. What is joining column?
Department ID.
So department ID is the joining condition or joining column. Now question is that what? Tell me this name, both names should be same or it can be different. Tell me.
It can be different.
It can be different. Okay, so it is not mandatory. Okay, see. So see, this is not a mandatory. Okay, so it can be same or it can be different. Okay, so this is the functionality. Clear so far? This is so far. So first you should understand joining condition. Next one now, by seeing these two things, which is the main table and why? Tell me which is the main table? So see the data. So you should see the data. You are data engineers. So seeing the data, you should be in a position. This is the main table. Employee is the main table. Department is the main table. So you should justify. Tell me which is the main table based on the data.
Employee ID, employee name.
Which first table? Why?
Joining condition on department ID is there.
Joining condition is department ID, and we need to get the department name.
No. I'm not asking. So joining condition. So joining condition is fine. This is the joining condition now. Now my question is that what by seeing the data, which is the main table based on the data?
Both the tables are
Left
main
table, first table. First left table, 1, 2, 3 employee ID is there, no? That's the main table.
Employee table is the main table. Why?
Employee ID is always be considered as this one, no? Fact tables.
No, department table is the main table.
No, data, based on the data.
Both the
Department
tables
table.
are main tables.
Both the tables are main tables, huh? Why?
Yes. Since it's a inner join, we can assume both the tables
No.
are main tables.
Employee table is main table.
No. See what happens. See, engineering is there. Marketing is there. Where is finance table?
We need to fetch a department.
So see, now
To
see what
that
happened.
employee
Now
table.
seeing the data, see, so Praveen is there, Kumar is there, Ramesh is there. So we're getting all the record from which table? Employee table. Now by seeing this data, what we can say? Employee table is the main table. That's what I'm saying. Data. If you see now finance is there, it is not there. Nothing but this is not a main table because we are getting all the records. All the record from Praveen, Kumar, Ramesh. Now seeing the data, we can say what? Employee is the main table. Main table. Got the point? Huh? Clear so far? Yes or no? See, employee is the main table. So employee is the main table. Got a point. So see the same thing. So first joining condition, which is the main table. Data is already. Let me fix the data. I can able to get it. Yeah, okay. So data, we should see the data, then we can confirm it. Yeah, already. Now see, data has been prepared. Okay, now what require when you want to fetch data from multiple tables? Go for what? Go for joins concept. So employee details, so department details. Okay. So totally how many records are there? So three records. Tell me this is by default what type of join? This is by default what type of
Inner.
join?
Inner.
No, see.
Self join.
Cross.
Self self how man?
Inner join.
Inner join how man?
Cross join, sir.
No, there is joining condition is not there. No, when there is no joining,
Cross
it's a
join.
cross join. No, so 3 is a 9 records will get. Say multiplication of two tables. Tell me why I'm getting employee ID, employee name, department ID first. Why reason? What is reason? Why are you getting this employee ID, employee name? Tell me.
We mentioned the employee details first table.
Employee details in the
So we mention what? We mention
employee details.
employee details. So we mention employee details at the first. That's why this is the main table. Okay, so this is the cross join. Now this is so important. So they'll ask what is cross join? There is no joining condition. Joining condition will not be there. Now what happened? So now try to put see joining condition. So on E dot department ID equal to D dot department ID. Now tell me this is what? This is what?
Inner join.
It's a inner join. What is inner join? We discuss what we'll get for inner join.
Common
Records from the both the
Common records from
both the tables.
both the tables. Okay, see both the tables. Okay, we can able to get it done. See, we are getting one. So what they want only employee, they want employee, employee and department. Okay, so they want only three columns there. I can see. So employee ID, employee name, department ID. Okay. Department name. Okay, so this is the functional. Department name is not there. So this is the functionality. If I want to get capital E remaining small case, how to get?
Int cap.
Tell me.
init cap.
Init cap. Okay, see, we should go for what? Init cap. Okay, let me. If the spaces are there, how to remove the spaces? Trim function or replace function. Okay, so same thing. Now try to execute it. Okay, so this is the function. So this is normal behavior. So far good. Okay, so this is simple only. Let me go for a little bit tricky one. So you guys need to work on the task. Okay, so let me take the screenshot. See, now this is so far good. Okay, now come to the second one. See the second one, mute yourself. Okay. So try to unmute. I can see. Now what happened? See, now seeing the data. So see, they want. Tell me what type of this is what? Tell me anyone. This is
Right.
what. Now, which is the main? First, we should understand which is the main table. Department or employee table.
Department.
Why see? Because we are getting engineering is there. Marketing are getting finance. So we are getting all the records from which table? From the department table. Now, which is the main table? Tell me. Which is the main table? Department table. Tell me now how to make department as the main table. We should go for left gen or right gen by seeing this image, by seeing this one. Now department is the main
Left,
table.
right, left.
Not left side, man. Tell me. Now which is the main table?
Employee details. Right. Common.
Tell me.
Employee details is the main table.
Come again.
Employee details.
No. My question is there what now? This is so far good. Now this department details I want to make as a main table. Then how to make as a main table? What gen I should go for? Right or left?
Right, Jen.
Right gen. Okay, see right gen. Okay, see right gen. Give me 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please. Sorry. Tell me now, right side table, nothing but this is the main table. Okay, see, this is the main table. So what is this? Tell me. So null, why you are getting null? Because why null? Because anyone tell me?
Common record from both tables and right.
Say all
not
records from right side table, match record from the left side table. If records are not matching, what we'll get? We'll get null value. Simple, no? That's what the point. So theory part, first to focus on the theory part. The same theory part we'll try to implement it. This is the functionality. Got the point? So this is so far good. Okay, so this is the functionality. Now see what happened. Now see, now we'll go for important, listen carefully. Now here null is there. Instead of null, they want to make it to NA. How to make it to NA? We should go for what concept? How to handle null values? By using
Is null.
NVL, not is null. So see, so you guys are saying the answer, but you're giving wrong answer. So I'm not asking how to extract. I'm asking how to handle. Okay, now how to put proper rating by using what? By using column alias concept. So far good. Same thing, instead of null, I want to make it to 0. How to make it to 0? NVL, comma, 0. Okay, so this is the 0. But they want what? They want no employee. So no employee is assigned to any department. Okay, sim. Now instead of 0, make it to no employee. Tell me, now it will work. It will work. It will throw error. Important.
Will not work.
Why it not work? Reason?
Both should be same, right? Like
What same? Okay, both should be same data type. Now, what is the error will I get? Remember, we should say like error we get. What type of error also should say?
error.
What data type it will get? Numeric value is not recognized. Numeric value, no employees are not recognized. See, if you see now what happened, it is working as expected. But here what happened, it is not working. Why? Because this is a number, this is a string. Now, what's it? Now, solution for this one? What is solution? We need to convert
Number
a
to
number
string.
into string. Var. Okay, so you should know what is the error and how to rectify it. This is the functionality. This is the concept so far. Okay, so see the same thing. So we'll see right and left. We'll see right now. We'll get a little bit clarity. Okay, so this is the way we can able to get it done. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, we'll see a little bit tricky one. So see almost whatever discussed now, all the concepts will be covered. Okay, see, so null handling, aggregate function, analytical function, all the things will be covered. Okay, listen carefully. This one important, very, very important. So roll number, name, total marks. So see now when you want to fetch the data from multiple tables, we should go for what concept?
Joins.
So joins will be coming into picture. Okay, so roll number, name. Now seeing the data, now tell me what's the joining column? What is joining column? Anyone?
Roll number.
Roll number is the joining column. So roll number also fine. Okay. Now seeing the data now, which is the main table? Generally, by seeing the data. Data which is the main table? Unique records, which are having unique records. Now this is the students
Roll
table,
number.
is the students table, marks table. So which is the main table? Generally students now, single record. Now see 101 here, 2 records. It's a main table. So first you should understand joining column, which is the main table. Students table is the main table. Now next thing is that what? Now which is join? So mute yourself. Srikanth, make use of earphones or don't say anything. Tell me. Now what happened? Tell me now. We should go for what? Now what type of join will work here? Anyone seen the data?
Left join.
Left join. Why left join? See 101. 101. Okay, 102, 102, 103, 104. All records are matching. Now, which join we can prefer? Mostly inner join. Inner join will be working. Okay, so inner join. Okay, 1 second. Inner join will be working. Okay. So if we solve this thing now, almost like whatever discussed, all the concepts will be covered. Okay. So first you should know what type of join. Okay, which is joining condition, which is the main table. So yes. Okay, so always follow coding alignment. Okay, so exam scores. So inner join. Tell me this is by default what type of join?
Cross join.
It's a cross join. 4 8s are 32 records will be there. 30 records will be there. Okay. Now what joining condition? S dot roll number equal to E dot roll number. Okay, so this is the functionality. Okay, got the point. So see the same thing. Okay. Now what happened? Roll number. Okay, see now they want a name. So if you listen carefully, one error will get. So name, it is working fine. Now we want roll number. Now see what happened. Tell me to work. Anybody? Any guess? This column will work?
No,
Anyone?
sir.
Roll number.
Why no? Why?
Both table having roll number.
Now what will get?
We mentioned that is column table alias we want to mention.
No. What the error will get? Errors. First you should say error, then we should go for the same. Now tell me.
Column name roll number is ambiguous.
Come again. Tell me.
Name and roll number not recognized.
See now what happened? See control enter. See it is throwing ambiguous column name. So when I remove roll number, see it is working fine. But when you put like this, what happened? It is throwing ambiguous error. So why it's ambiguous? Ambiguous nothing but it's a confusion. Tell me why it's getting confused. Snowflake is getting confused. Why? Because we are making Snowflake to confuse. Why?
Both table having roll number.
Tell me.
We are not specifying which roll number column it should pick.
Roll number is present in both the tables.
Correct. Only. See now what happened? See, name is working fine, but when I put roll number, it's getting confused because so this roll number is there in students table. This roll number is there in the exam scores table. Now Snowflake is getting confused whether I want to take from this table or this table. Got the point? See one more time. So see, this roll number is there in students table and exams table. Now it is getting confused whether I want to pick from students table or pick from exam scores table. Now tell me now how to make it rectify. Tell me now. So see now we need to make clearly which is the main table. Now we are asking Snowflake to pick from which table? Students table. So see if I mention like this, what happened? It is getting confused. I should pick from here or pick from. So that's why we are saying, so pick from where? Pick from the students table. So it is working fine. Okay. Now tell me what is total marks 186, 182. How we are getting this 186, 182?
From marks.
From, so it's nothing but it's a addition. How to perform addition?
Sum.
So sum, no sum. So sum. Okay, see one more question. So sum of marks. Now tell me now it will work. What discuss? Tell me. Now what error will get? One more error. We'll get what? What type of error?
Again.
Marks
in different student.
Desktop
portable.
Remember, you
Group
guys
by
are, so we are going for experimenting. You need to have complete errors. Okay, see numeric value error, ambiguous. Now we'll get not a group by. See now what happened is not a valid group by expression. Tell me why it is giving error reason is that what? So see non-aggregate columns, what I should put in the group by name, group by or group by 1, 2 or group by all. Okay, all. This is the functionality. Now how to put proper heading? So they want to get the same proper heading. So total marks. So how to put total marks? By using what concept? By using column alias. So but I want to get in the same case, but is it getting uppercase? Now how to get in the same case? Tell me. Put in a
Double quotes.
Put in a double quotations. Okay, these are basics but important. We use regularly. So this is so far good. So aggregate function completed. Now group by all completed. Now see they want to give numbering. How to give numbering? Tell me by using what concept?
Analytical.
Row number. Aggregate.
Aggregate functions. What man?
Analytical function.
Okay, tell me how to give numbering? We should go for analytical functions or window function. Now seeing the data, now what type of analytical function we can prefer? Seeing the data.
Rank.
Row number.
Row
Row number. Why rank row numbers? Tell me duplicate records there.
No.
No, then why you'll go for rank or row number? We can go for any type of analytical functions. So when you have duplicate records, which one is preferable? Dense rank is preferable. Okay, so this was the functionality. So control C. So control V. Now go for analytical function. Now I'm going for any type of, you can choose. Okay, but I'm going for row number because, okay, row number over. Now tell me now we need to give numbering on based on individual marks or total marks? Total marks. See, order by ascending or descending? Order by marks, ascending or descending. Now it will throw error. See, it's saying is not a valid. Now we need to perform on what? Perform on what? Perform on individual marks or perform on total marks? No, total marks. On the total marks, we want to perform analytical, perform the analytical function. See, now this is now how do you proper heading? By using column alias. I'll explain. There is one more thing, rank. So this is up to here. So far, it's a simple thing only. So name. Now see, this is so far good. Okay, let me take important lesson. One more question. Up to here, simple. It's a straightforward. Now there is one more student is there. Okay, so Praveen Kumar. Okay. So see, okay, Praveen Kumar is there. Now question is that tell me now if we see this one. Now Praveen Kumar is there. Tell me if I perform inner join, Praveen Kumar will come or not? If come, why? If not come, why? Tell me. Tell me.
It will not come.
Why it will not come?
It's not in both the tables.
So see, what is inner join? It's a common record. There is no matching column or matching. There is no matching record in the second table. Now it will get a, now Praveen Kumar record won't be available. Now question is that what? Now I want to get Praveen Kumar. How to get Praveen Kumar? Anyone? Any guess? Now I
Left.
want to get
Left.
Praveen Kumar data. Now how to get Praveen Kumar data?
Left join.
We should go for outer join. We should go for outer join. So which outer join we should prefer? By seeing the data, left join. No, left join. Okay. Now you need to say, tell me now left join or left outer join. Now we'll get a name, we'll get a roll number, we'll get marks. What is the marks we'll get? We'll get null, no? Null. Okay, null. See, this is fine. Okay, up here no worries. But here what happened? So without writing any exam, Praveen Kumar got first rank. Correct? So nobody will write. Tell me, correct? Tell me. Without writing any record, Praveen Kumar got first rank. Is it correct?
Wrong.
No, it is not correct. Now tell me now how to make this one working. So here you need to understand. Tell me why we are getting first. Any guess? I'll try to explain. Anyways. No, anyone? Why you're getting nulls first? See, here you need to understand one important topic. So create a table Y67 ID number. Listen carefully. One concept is there. So insert into Y67 values. So 2, so 3, so null, so 1 and 0. Okay, see this is the functionality. Now how to fetch? Select star from Y67. Y67. Okay. Now see how many cards are there? 2, 3, null. Okay. See now I'm performing order by 1. So this is what by default it's a what?
First column.
First column. What type of sorting?
Ascending.
Ascending. Okay. Ascending column. Okay. Now tell me now ascending column. That's fine. Now what we'll get? We'll get one. What we'll get? Null will be at the top or bottom. Any guess? Any idea? Anyone? Anyone by default? Tell me. Any guess in the ascending sort?
Top.
Tell me.
Will be on top.
Top? No. See what happened by default. What happened in the ascending sort? Nulls will be at the bottom. Okay, same thing if I copy, if I put, listen carefully, I explain one more time, descending sort. Tell me in the descending sort, any guess? Nulls will be where at the top. Vice versa. See, by default, when you perform ascending sort, null will be where? Null will be at the null will be at the bottom. Last. What? Okay, see now what happened? Descending sort, null will be at the top. Okay, so to overcome this functionality, what happened now? See, now in the ascending sort, now what happened? Nulls will be at the bottom. Now, nulls first. Now, where the nulls will be there? Nulls will be at the top. Okay, see, by default, listen carefully. So, by default behavior in the ascending sort, nulls will be at last. In the descending sort, nulls will be at the top. To overcome this, what happened? We can able to now tell me in the descending sort. Now I want to get nulls at the bottom. Now how to get nulls at the bottom? Put nulls last. Getting a little bit? Somewhat? Clear so far? Yes, sir, no, getting a? So see, this is the behavior. Now here what happened? I'll explain here. See, by default, nulls will be at the last in the ascending sort. Okay. Suppose see. Now if put ascending sort. If I put ascending sort, nothing but what? What will be at the last? If I put ascending sort, nulls will be where at the
Bottom.
Last.
Bottom, last. Okay, so this is normal behavior. But when you put null C is coming at the last. Now if you put descending, nothing but what? Null C at the top. Now if you now what's the null? Null should be there at the bottom. Now how to get what is right? Nulls last. Okay, this is the functionality. Nulls last. Okay, so this is the concept so far. So control C and control V. Okay, so far good. Now what happened? See, correct? So see now instead of null, I want to display 0. How to display 0? Tell me instead of null, I want to display 0. How to display? How to handle null values? By using
NVL.
null handling function. See, null handling function. Okay, so NVL comma 0. Instead of 0, I want to make it to option. How to make it option? Tell me. Instead of 0, I want to make it to option. How to make it? Tell me to work. It is saying numeric value is not recognized. Tell me why it's not recognized reason? Because one is number, other is a string. Now how to rectify this one? Tell me now. We need to go for what? Go for. Okay, so to-char, var-char, or cast, we can able to make it working. So now same thing now, I want to get capital P remaining, I want to make it to small case. How to make it to small case by using what concept? Go for
Init cap.
init cap. How to put proper heading by using what concept? By using column alias. How to remove the spaces? Tell me, go for what? Or trim function. Okay, special characters are go for regexp. So see, so here if you see, this is the functionality. Okay, so far good. Now see what happened now. Now see now listen carefully. Now what happened now? Now instead of inner left to join, I want to go for right to join. Tell me it work. Instead of inner join, instead of left to join, I can go for right join. It will give a
No.
why? Why? Tell me if you see the data. Now so if you see this one, now if I go for right join, what will get? What record will get? Will get Praveen Kumar record. Tell me if I go for right join, Praveen Kumar record will get. Tell me. No. Why? Because no, it won't come. It won't be populating. Okay, we'll confirm. So control C. So right to join. Now, which is the main table? By seeing this one, which is the main table here? See this
Right
one, right, but exam scores. Now we don't get Praveen Kumar data. Now question is that what? Now I want to go for right gen, but I want to get Praveen Kumar data. Now how to get any guess? I want to go for right gen, but I want to get Praveen Kumar record also. And how to get?
Full join.
No. By using right gen, I want to get it done.
Changing the table names.
Set operators.
Set operators. I set operators. Tell me now, which is the main table?
Students.
Now, is the main table? Right side table. Right side table? No. Right gen, no.
Yeah, okay.
Now, right side is what? Students table. Okay, see? Now, this was somebody else asked. No, so by shuffling also what happened? We'll get the same result. Now, which is the main table here? Right side table. That is students table. This is the functionality. Tell me, can I go for full gen by seeing the data? Tell me. Can I go full gen nothing but what? Tell me, we'll get same record or different records. We'll get same data will be purple. Because why? Because in the students table, in the marks table, we don't get the extra record. That's why we'll get for left to join, okay, right to join shuffling, for full join, get the same data will be populating. Got the point? So this is the functionality. See, almost see what happened. Here you need to understand database creation, schema creation, table creation, inserting, committing, and fetching. Now two tables are there. Now we should know what type of join we should prefer. That's what the point. Now init cap. Okay. Column alias, null handling, aggregate function, group by all, analytical function. So two-char conversion function. So see nulls handling, nulls first, nulls last. So almost like whatever we discussed, all the concept has been covered here. This is the functionality. Got the point? Like this way, we can able to get it done. Okay, so this is the concept. Clear so far? Clear? So see, good. For self-join, I'll try to give video. You can able to get that.